Hi guys! So for today's video, meron na naman tayong unboxing video na sobrang napaka-generous ng brand na to. So this is from Organic Nature. So this is a local brand guys ha. Ito yung kanilang mismong packaging. Actually, nasa malaking box siya kaya tinanggal ko na. Pero hindi ko pa talaga siya nakikita lahat. So, ayan guys, if you want to know more about this local brand, just keep on watching. So, ayun na nga, bihira talaga ako makatanggap ng mga ganitong product. As in, sobrang wide range ng product. So, Organic Nature is a health and beauty wellness product company. So, they offer yung mga skincare, yung mga supplements, mga ganyan. So, meron tayo, uy, ang dami talaga guys, literal. So, yung mga full review nito is mababasa nyo na lang siguro sa aking website. So, it's from missjoyceblog.com. So, yun, i-state ko lahat ng mga information about that. So, first product natin is this one. Ayan siya, Organic Nature Gold Plus Mangosteen Capsule. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help boost immune system. So this is their product, Gold Plus Mangosteen Capsule. So it's 500 mg. And open natin siya. Ang cute ng kanyang color ng capsule guys. Ganyan siya. Yan, ganyan yung itsura ng capsule niya. And yeah. And lahat pala ng product ng Organic Nature is FDA approved and notified. So 100 capsule yung itong product na to, and ilalagay ko na lang, ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen kung magkano yung SRP sa market. Next is, oh wow. So this is their Inner Glow Beauty Powder Drink. 52,000 mg premium Japan source marine collagen plus reduced L-glutathione and pearl coix extract with vitamin C. Wow, ito talagang iinumin ko to. Stevia Nature, ito yung ginamit dito, stevia, yung natural sweetener niya. 10 sachet and 210 gram. Go to drink with marine collagen that maintains optimal hydration levels in the cells. So, it has glutathione, guys. So, I think this is a must-have, lalo na sa ating mga, alam mo na, nag-i-age na. So, ayan. Next is, una kasi, ito na muna, yung kanilang mga soap. Okay, pinadalhan nila tayo ng mga soap. So, we have here their clarifying soap. Ayan, ang cute ng packaging niya. Very ano lang siya, thick plastic lang siya. And this is Organic Nature Clarifying Soap, contains natural ingredients that deep cleanse, exfoliates, and whitens your skin. So, ito nasa 69 pesos lang to. Nakita ko dun sa website nila. And ito naman is Virgin Coconut Oil. Face and body soap. Ayan, moisturizing, hydrating, clarifying. So, maganda to guys. So, Virgin Coconut Oil. So, I think nasa 79 pesos lang siya. Ay, nasa 79 pesos lang to. Ang ganda ng packaging niya, oh. Ito na, oh my god, nakaano siya. Buksan lang natin siya, mabilisan lang. Nakaseal pa siya. Is their White Bloom Body Lotion, Collagen with 5 times whitening. Ayan siya, guys. It has glutathione, alpha-arbutin, niacinamide, kojic acid, and papaya extract. So, I think this is a set kasi they also have this one, yung kanilang face cream. Ayan, with SPF 30. And ito, meron din siyang SPF 30. So, mga SPF 30 lang yung kanyang mga content. So, ayan siya. Okay, so face and body wash. Ayan. So, set ito guys ha. Set itong pinadala nila sa atin. So, body lotion, face cream, and face and body wash. So, yeah, this is the set. Ang cute lang. Very simple lang nung packaging niya. Yung usual type na mga skincare product. So, ayan. Ang dami nito, guys. Ito yung kanilang mga skincare set. So, let's open this one. Ito yung mga skincare set nila. Yan. So, meron tayo dito yung kanilang mga skincare kit. So first is this anti-aging one skincare kit with collagen, niacinamide, vitamin E, retinol, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera. So they have aloe vera, glycolic acid, kojic acid, glutathione, alpha-arbutin. So open natin ngayon itong anti-aging kit nila. And din dito sa likod ng packaging kung paano nyo siya gagamitin and all. And color green, super ganda ng kanilang packaging. Okay. Oh, ang cute. Ganyan yung itsura ng packaging. Yan. Meron siyang day moisture UV protection. So, it has SPF 50. SPF 50. Meron siyang night repair. Ayan. Therapy treatment. So, ayan siya. Meron din siyang face soap. Yan. Kompleto siya. So, face soap. May toner din tayo. Anti-aging toner. Alcohol-free. Yan. Meron siya. And, of course, serum. Anti-aging serum. Yan. This includes the anti-aging set of Organic Nature. Next is this Moisture Glass Skin 5-in-1 skincare set. So, ayan. Color pink naman yung kanyang packaging. And it also has niacinamide, collagen, glycolic acid, kojic acid, lactic acid, sobrang daming acid, salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, alpha-arbutin, vitamin E, and aloe vera. So this, they claim that this is a Japanese-Korean latest skincare formulation. So, ayan yung kanilang moisture glass skin. Kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng moistured skin, so this is the one for you. So, open natin siya kung ano yung laman. Aging. Meron siyang day moisture UV protection SPF 50. Meron siyang night repair therapy treatment. And face soap, virgin coconut oil. This is super good for the skin, guys. Meron toner and also serum. Ayan. Yung serum nila parang, ayan, ganyan lang naman niya. Serum niya. And ito, moisture glass skin toner. So, ayan, yung packaging niya. Yan. And the last is face brightening. Ayan. Face brightening 5-in-1 set. So, ito rin is Japanese-Korean latest skincare formulation. Ito naman yung color ng packaging. Yung color yellow naman. And same lang, yung kaniyang inclusion. Yan, merong night and day cream. Yan, open natin. Yan, color yellow naman siya. So, kung tatanungin nyo kung anong difference nilang tatlo, ayan, I will fully detail this on my website para mas maintindihan nyo kung ano yung pinagkaiba nilang tatlo. Kasi almost all of their skincare kits, sa napansin ko, halos merong lahat collagen, niacinamide, glutathione, yan, may mga lactic acid. And siguro, kaya nila ginawa to kasi iba't iba naman yung skin type ng natin, 'di ba? So, ayan. Before doing this, guys, before using this, do a patch test. Okay? Para makita nyo kung hindi kayo allergy. And, ayan. Ayusin lang natin sila. So, ayan. Ito yung kanilang 3 5-in-1 skincare set. Ayan. Moisture Glass Skin, Face Brightening, and Anti-Aging. Lahat ng mga skincare set na to has glutathione. So, and collagen also. Good for the skin. And lastly, ito yung isa sa nakita ko talaga na super feeling ko magugustuhan ko siya. Ayan. Last from this package, nakita ko siya. Ayan. Vice versa. So, may perfume din sila, guys, ha. These are all perfume. So, titingnan natin kung mabango ba itong mga product na to. So, packaging, ayan yung packaging niya, white lang siya. So, meron for her and for him. Ayan. So, meron tayo ditong 4 scent. We have delicate, ayan, delicate, fresco, sensation, and irresistible. Yan, ito yung kanilang mga perfume. So, napakaganda, napakagaling naman itong brand na to. They have a wide range of product. And also, ito, meron din silang perfume. So, itatry natin kung mabango tong mga to. Ito yung kanyang ano guys, so meron siyang sealed pa dito. Siguro kasi most of the time na pagka nagpapadeliver ako ng mga ganitong product, nagli-leak siya. Since oil-based siya, and woody perfume siya guys ha, and babasagin siya guys. So be careful when you use it. So this is Delicate. Tingnan natin kung mabango siya. Para siyang ano, honey. Yun yung amoy niya. Hindi ako Wait, habang nagda-dry down siya, ang bango nito, guys, ah. Pero pag first na ganyan nyo, amoy honey siya. And pag nag-dry down, super talagang delicate ng amoy. And ang ganda ng spray niya, guys, oh. Ang ganda ng spray niya. So this is Delicate. Ayan. And next is this Sensation. Yan, yung Sensation. So, may naman na. Uy, mas mabango to. Mas gusto ko yung amoy nito. Sensation. Ganito yung mga type ng amoy na gusto ko, guys. Very refreshing lang niya. Very fruity, pero hindi siya masakit sa ilong. Ganon. So, ayan. Mabango siya, mabango. If you are on a citrusy girly, ayan, ganun kasi mga gusto ko. So, Sensation is for you. Pero kung gusto mo naman is yung matamis and medyo honey yung amoy, go for Delicate if you want to try this. Ang bango niya, guys, in fairness. Mabango siya. And 50 ml pala itong mga perfume na to, ah. Okay, so next is yung mga para naman sa mga lalaki. So, we have Irresistible and Fresco. So, we have 2 scent naman. This is yung packaging nila, Fresco. Ayan yung Fresco. And this is Irresistible. So, yan yung. So, itatry muna natin si Fresco. Bango niya. Ito naman yung parang mga, kaamoy niyo yung cool water. Yan, kaamoy nito ni Fresco si cool water. And, ito naman is Irresistible. See, ayan, ito yung sinasabi ko. Pag wala siyang cover, nag-leak yung ano niya. Pero, I think it's okay kasi oil-based naman siya. So, dito ka naman ilalagay sa kabila. May pareho silang mabango. Pareho silang mabango. Bibigay ko to sa asawa ko. So, ang nagustuhan ko dito is ito si Fresco. Amoy cool water siya. And this is Irresistible. So, yan. Ito yung kanilang mga perfume scents. So, yun nga guys. Tapos na yung ating pag-unbox ng Organic Nature product. Sobrang daming products na nito guys. And na-overwhelm ako dahil yung ganito mga local brand, yung talagang kailangan nating i-patronize kasi dumadami na sila. And they are evolving. Nag-aano sila, lumalawak yung knowledge nila when it comes to skincare, health and wellness, and all. And meron pa sila actually ibang mga products. So, you can visit their website at Organic Nature. Ito, yung nakalagay sa organicnature.ph. Visit yung website nila. Sobrang dami pang mga products na pwede nyong tignan doon. And they offer wholesaler, reseller, and distributorship. Marami silang mga seller all over the Philippines, and yung mga products nila ay available on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. So, you can search organicnature.ph and tag them ha pag kayo ay nag-order or nag-try ng kanilang product. Ayan, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I hope na-enjoy niyo yung pag-unbox. Dahil ngayon lang naman ulit tayo nakapag-unbox ng sobrang dami nito guys. And I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you, bye! Thank you.